How's that for you? Here's aloe vera with a little snow on it. So that's our aloe vera plant growing in our garden on Salt Spring Island. Nah, the snow's not going to hurt it. Extreme bitter cold probably would hurt it, but it's actually more the poor draining soil that's going to rot it. So you got to plant those in very fast draining soil. They do flower. There's the spent flower spike from the summertime, and they get kind of a yellowy orange, light orange flower on them. And really a nice plant to have in your garden here. They're native to, I think, higher elevations of South Africa. So quite cold hardy. I don't know the exact cold hardiness on it, but it seems to work well in this growing zone. And I'm not the only one that does grow them here. I did actually plant one in front of the rainbow pool up against the building. So we'll see how it does there. That's a much colder area. Located about 11 kilometers south of here. So much colder there in the winter and much hotter there in the summer. Anyway, this one's doing quite well in our first little snowfall that's pretty much melting away now. It's melting rapidly. There's a heteromeles I had to pull up. Snow bent that down too. So, all right, folks, thanks for watching. Plant them in full sun and well-draining soil, and you're going to grow a hardy aloe vera in a northern exotic garden. Cheers.